stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Look at the AKASO Brave 6 Plus. I did some modification because there's some vibration, rattling sound from the case, especially the power button. It will rattle, and you can get the rattling sound in your video because the mic is just right below. And so what I did is I just put a cellophane tape and over it, and the side as well. If you see the battery, I added a foam tape at the battery itself so that when the door closes, it is shut tight and there's no movement here. So these are the two mods that I did, and the other vibration rattling will come from this case being larger than the Brave 6 Plus. So I put another foam tape at the base so that this goes in snugly, very tightly, so it doesn't have any chance of vibration. So we're going to test out this on a Mavic Mini and take it up. I wonder if it can go up, because I feel that it may, because it's quite light. This Brave 6 Plus from AKASO is way much lighter than any other action cam that is like a GoPro or the Osmo Action. So let's see if this can go up. So now I'm going to put the AKASO Brave 6 Plus on top of the Mavic Mini, and we'll see whether it can take off with this. Okay, moment of reckoning. Let's hope it does take off. I put it on sports mode.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, it did take off. It's on sports mode, so it's much faster, so you can take the weight of the AKASO Brave 6 Plus. So hi everyone, Richard here. As you can see, looks like it's a bit wobbling everywhere. Maybe it's the weight. You can see that's the wobbling part. As far as action is concerned, let's try it. Max overload reach, fly with. Let's take it out and see what happens. Going quite fast, you can take the speed. Let's see what happens. He goes backwards. Max overload reach. So it is risky to have it around. you may crash it. But then again, it's light enough. So what happened is, seems to be light enough to take for the Mavic Mini. So that's a quick one. Let's see the AKASO Brave on the Mavic Mini. I'm gonna bring it back down because it's kind of scary. I might lose this Mavic Mini due to overweight. And let's bring it back down. I hope I got some nice footage from the AKASO. And let's grab a few portrait shot for the album, and let's look at that way, and that's it. Let's bring it closer. Looks great. Maybe it's higher, it's nicer next to the sky. Yep, that looks good. Let's get a few shots. Probably we're done. It's doing quite well. Actually, it's holding on quite well. And surprisingly, it's holding on quite well, right? Holding on quite well on the Mavic Mini. Oh, that's it. So that's it. Quick one. Just a quick review on the Mavic Mini and with the AKASO Brave 6 Plus on top. And I hope the video is good. And now it's going down. So max overload reach, I think. It may be trying to go down because of the weight. I'm not sure. Okay, that's it guys. Do subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and I'll see you again on another session.